Start. Please prepare after this bout. Miramen Mac Jevil Aka, Salaysay Dean Joven Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Coach SSL, are you be going to boys first to 4 points? First to 4 points.
Attention, calling awardees for 7 years old and below UV community girls. Please proceed to the awarding area now. Again, 7 years old and below UV community girls awardees. Please proceed to the awarding area now. Thank you. Calling Miranda Hart, AKA Cebu, and Cristobal Set. Please proceed to the tatami now. Again, Miranda Hart from AKA Cebu, and Jose Justol from JKS Philippine City. Please proceed to the tatami now. Last call, Miranda Hart, AKA Cebu, Cristobal San Francis, JKS Philippine City.
Winner, Aka, Maule San Carlos.
Last call, Cristobal
Next
San
bout,
Francis.
Miramen Mac Jevil Aka, Salaysay Dean Joven Au. Start. Please prepare after this bout. Swamin Jairam Aka, Ricardel Carl Zydric Au. Please prepare after this bout. Please prepare Gonzaga Cedric Aka, Kabatingan Mark Xavier Au after this bout. Please prepare.
Ligaya Araya. AAC, Ligaya Araya, first one.
Calling 8 to 9 years old Kuwait girls, Kaam Janet, Norris Glenn,
All parents, please step out from the lower box. All players, step out from the lower box. Again, all parents, step out from the lower box.
Christopher.
All parents, step out from the lower box.
Kawaling Christopher. Sige na. Start na.
All parents, step out from the lower box.
Kawaling Christopher. Aka. Sunod na. Kawaling Christopher. Sunod na Aka. Ligaya Johan. Au.
All parents, step out from the lower box or else your clock will be disqualified. JKS parents, step out from the lower box. JKS parents, step out from the lower box or else your team will be disqualified. Again, step out from the lower box.
winner, Mirai Adams.
Categories who are not called yet, step out from the lower box. Winner, Au, Rebecca Mark Zaire. Please change your belt to Aka. Next bout, Gonzaga Cedric Aka, Kabatingan Mark Xavier Au.
And Kaluna Queen,
Start.
Saison Princess, thereafter is out.
Johan.
Those coaches who don't have IDs, step out or else your whole team will be disqualified. Again, parents, coaches who don't have IDs, please step out from the lower box or else your whole team will be disqualified. Last warning, coaches who don't have IDs, parents are not allowed in the lower box. Failure to follow the rules, your whole team will be disqualified. Please prepare after this bout. Karen Chan Carlos Aka, Berame Mac Au. Please prepare after this
Championship
bout.
bout, Miranda Mark versus Mirai Adams.
Again, coaches who don't have IDs, step out or else your whole team will be disqualified. Coaches who don't have IDs, please step out from the lower box or else your whole team will be disqualified. Last warning. Again, this is gonna be the last warning. Parents, step out from the lower box. Parents, step out from the lower box.
Ligaya Ryan J. Aka. Raise your hand. Sunod.
Calling Norris AOG, Calling KJR. Please proceed to Kalaway 4. Again, Norris AOG, please proceed to Kalaway 4.
Roble, raise your hand. Ligaya.
Winner, Au, Janice Mirai. Next bout, Kulana Queen versus Saison Princess May.
Minus 48 kilograms, junior girls limited. Minus 48 kilograms, junior girls limited. Please proceed to Tatame 2. Azul Jisha Zaira, Miss Kada Samantha, Lastimosa Sabrina, Pahunar Gail, Gonzaga Diana, Kabuela, Au, Kawatingan Miss Carla Samantha, JKS Philippines, tatanong to please. Lastimosa Sabrina Inet, Pahunar Gay, Gonzaga Diana, first call, Azul Jisha, first call, Miss Carla Samantha, Lastimosa Sabrina, Pahunar Gay, Gonzaga Diana, Cabuenas Fermi, Novagos Zophie, Lancia Samantha, please proceed to tatanong to now.
Princess Grace Arizon, last call. From JKS Philippines City, last call. Coronel Sweden. Again, last call. Princess Grace Arizon from JKS Philippines City.
About change to do.
Calling the coach of JKS Philippines City.
Start.
Please prepare. Frank Janet.
Saka, raise your hand.
Princess Flores Well.
Agala.
Please prepare Ricardel Carl Aka, Kabatingan Mark Al. Please prepare. Minus 48 kilograms girls.
Frank Janet. Princess Flores Well.
Minus 48 kilograms and minus 53 kilograms girls, juniors committed. Please proceed to tatanong to now. Azul Jisha, Miss Carla Samantha, Lastimosa Sabrina, Pahunar Gail, Gonzaga Diana, Cabuenas Femi, Novagos Sophie, Lancia Samantha, Sideno Reniz, Audio Mary, Lumo Amalia, Namok Sandra, Ayin Nerva, Katakutan Carrillo, please proceed to tatanong to now. Again, please proceed to tatanong to now. Minus 48 kilograms, minus 53 kilograms, minus 59 kilograms, juniors committee and girls, please proceed to tatanong to now.
10 to 11 years old, Louise, women and boys. 10 to 11 years old, Louise, women and girls. 10 to 11 years old, open, women and boys. 10 to 11 years old, open, women and girls. Please proceed to tatanong now.
Winner. Al. Flores Well. Calling and Colana B. Christina C. Second class.
Minus 59 kilograms, Nigabatan Rian Gio, Milention Liz Jasmine, Mitante Faye Angela, Garzaldana, tatanong to please. First bout, Azul Jisha, raise your hand. Azul Jisha, raise your hand on the mat now. Miss Carla Samantha on the mat now. Lastimosa Sabrina. Lastimosa Sabrina.
About me, Christopher, raise your hand.
Pahunar Gail, raise your hand. Gonzaga Diana. Gonzaga, raise your hand. Cabuenas Feby. Cabuenas Feby. Cabuenas Feby, raise your hand. Cabuenas Feby. Cabuenas Feby from AUK. Cabuenas Feby, first call. Novagos Zophie. Novagos Zophie, OMS Engineer Aka. Paulo Sean Carlos.
About me, Christopher.
Safe well. Next bout, Ricardel Carl Aka, Kabatingan Mark Al. Si Delo Reyes, raise your hand. Odyok Mary, Caroline. Lumog Amelia, raise your hand. Lumog Amelia, JKS, raise your hand. Lumog Amelia, raise your hand from JKS. Namog Sandra,
1 minute break for Christina C for the final bout. While waiting, please prepare 7 years old and below novice limited boys, Victorious Ryoji, Rolando,
again, parents,
John Matthew, Cortales Mark, Diana Vladimir, Ricardo Shaw, Diego Livio,
Cham Cham.
Carolina College. Please proceed to the final bout.
advances to finals, Kaulesh Carlos Aka, please prepare.
Then to 11 years old, Louis, with the girls are Tony, Ricky, with San Lucas, Mata.
Winner, Ao, Kapachanchang, Mark, and advances to finals. 30 seconds rest for Kapatingan, Mark.
Please step on the mats now for the championship round. Waiting for Gwen Flores versus Christina C.
Ring a bell.
Again,
Sir,
Gwen Flores. Please step on the mats now.
Cham Cham, double time, Cham Cham, double time. Okay, for the final bout, Kaulesh Carlos Aka, Kapatingan, Mark, Ao.
Flores.
Start.
Why did you change the color dress? Please double time. Gwen Flores. Please double time. Gwen Flores.
Lastimosa Sabrina, stand up. Pahonar Gay,
Kabusas. Ao, raise your hand. Gia Manili. Kabusas, Gia.
Last call.
Pasok na, pasok.
Gwen Flores. Double time.
Gonzaga, Diana, raise your hand. Novamos,
Coach of AOK San Lucas, Richard Alexi.
Novamos,
Arsenal Princess Joanna Mexter. Arsenal.
Please prepare Victoria's Matthew, Vincent Dot, Matthew, Arnaldo Smart, Ricardo Shaw, Diego Silvio, Calix Arante. Please prepare also seniors of the Pilon High School members. Franco Izzy, Abraham Mia, Taluma Para, Fernandez Abiel, Ravaya Mia, Samonte Africa, Fernandez Roger. Please prepare. Please step on the mats now. Victoria's refugee, Victor Nadal.
Fidelio release, standby, Audio Mary Caroline, Audio Mary Caroline, standby, Lumon, for 12 to 13 years old, open Katan Girl, Katan Mahal Michelle Andre Kaliman Mia. Start. Non-players, sit down on the bleachers or else your team will be disqualified. Again, sit down on the bleachers or else your team will be disqualified. Okay, Kahongay, again, sit down on the bleachers or else your team will be disqualified. Again, sit down on the bleachers or else your whole team will be disqualified. Please prepare the lentil pristine. Out. Azul Jusha, standby. Lastimosa, standby. Cabuenas, red side, standby. Cabuenas, Kelly, red side, standby. Minus 59 kilograms, junior girls submitted. Ligapatan Ryan Gio, raise your hand. Ligapatan Ryan Gio, DKA Honbo. Ligapatan Ryan Gio, first call. Ligapatan Ryan Gio, from DKA Honbo. Milencio winners out. Mia Kaliman. Change your belt to Aka. 30 seconds rest for Mia. Doniente Pristine, please prepare out. Mitante Faye Angela, raise your hand. Garzo Dana. Ligapatan Rian Gio. Ligapatan
Winner out of the battle. Next bout, Armana Smart Wheel.
time.
Winner, Aka.
Next bout, Ricardo Shadrada versus Kevin Yu.
Novabos, blue side. Novabos, blue. Again, players sit on the bleachers or else your whole team will be disqualified.
Raise your hand. Opponents, start now. Don't play it. Glenn, go.
Please step on the last round. Ricardo Shadrada
Red alert.
will be
Cabanas.
level 9, please.
Belt Cabuenas.
Please prepare Axel Lazar and Carlos Ferrando. You're after this bout.
Minus 66 kilograms junior girls committed. Villa Carlos. Minus 61 kilograms junior boys committed. Minus 55 kilograms junior boys committed. Suarez. Suarez. Elmar. Baguio John Bernard. Baguio John. First call Baguio John from JKS Bohol. Largo Emerson. Largo Mia. Donete Pristine. Start. Largo Emerson, raise your hand. On the mat now, La Puerta Ivan Ray from Puntao, raise your hand. La Puerta Ivan Ray. La Puerta Ivan Ray. Almores James.
Azure Capoeiras Family Finals. Blue side, Anas.
Kapitaw. There's a one more line. Blue. Okay, start. There's a more. There's a more. Amores, Aka, Arsenal, now is get ready.
Bogotá Capoeiras Family. Azure Bogotá.
Next round. Amores, one, three. Raise your hand. Amores, tulungan mo pasukan. Arsenal, Princess. Pasukan, sige na, start.
Coaches, please sit on the bleachers. Coaches, sit on the bleachers, please. Coaches, sit on the orange bleachers.
Next, the battle of Green Planet versus Don Anthony Brazil. Please stand on the basket. Please prepare. General Tia versus
There's a four, change for Aka.
Players, please pay attention when your name is called. We are only going to call you thrice. Again, we are only going to call you 3 times. Failure to present yourself on the mat, you are automatically disqualified. Again, we are going to call your names 3 times. Failure to present yourself on the mat, you are gonna be automatically disqualified. Next foul, Lumon Agalia. Lumon Agalia, raise your hand. JKS, go to the mat now. Lumon Agalia, first foul.
Winner, Aka.
Lumon Agalia, second foul.
Same bell. Next bout, Tantos Anthony John Aka. Dahilio Vice Iron Nathan Au.
Aka, change round.
winner, Aka.
Pagkakaroon sa kanila, raise your hand. Pasukan. Sa pamilya.
Lumon Agalia.
Diego Pepino versus Alex Carolan. Please stand on the basket.
Sa bote.
First call, Alexis Carmeli Patalingo. Second call, Alexis Carmeli Patalingo. Last call, Alexis Carmeli Patalingo.
This is 10 to 11 years old. Open. Committee.
Namok Sandra on the mat now. Aying on the mat now. Aying Nerva Bernice from OSSK First Hall on the mat now. Next bout, Remise, please stand by. Lumon on the blue side, stand by.
Tampos Anthony Jan, start.
Jake Alexander Maruada.
Please prepare the Leon Johan Piro Aka, Duyan Almer Josh Blake Al. Please prepare after this bout.
Shoji, Liam Shoji. Sidenyo on the mat now. Lobo on the mat now.
Next bout, Pigeon Natalo versus Mark Morales. Please step on the mat.
Again, players, we are only going to call you 3 times. We are only going to mention your name 3 times. Failure to present yourself on the mat, you are going to be automatically disqualified. Again, please pay attention. Please pay attention. JKS players who are seated on the blue bleachers, step out from the lower box. JKS players,
Tampos Anthony Jan, same belt. Next bout, the Leon Johan Piro Aka, Duyan Albert Josh Blake Al.
Coaches, if your players are not playing, sit on the blue bleachers. Coaches, if your players are not playing yet, please sit on the blue bleachers. Start.
Please prepare Aquilido Jack Aka, Volcan Antonio Benedict Ao. Please prepare after this bout. Please prepare after this bout. Araneta Kyle Aka, Ongdayo Cruz Kerubin Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Suarez Delmar, prepare. Bagyo John, prepare. Largo, Emerson, James. Again, coaches, sit on the blue bleachers if your players are not playing yet. Players who are not playing yet, players who are not going to play yet, sit on the blue bleachers. Again, players who are not going to play yet, sit on the blue bleachers. Azur, step up, step up. Sedeños, Aying,
Next out, Recaforco ACL, Ayala Villa. Please step out the match now. Seven years old and below novice, Protect Girls. First bout, Recaforco AZ versus Ayala Villa. Please step out the match now. Please prepare Amara Lupa and Anya Fernandez in our last bout.
Jake, 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 Jake.
Winner, Au, Volcan Antonio Benedict, and please change your belt to Aka. Next bout, Araneta Kyle Aka, Ongdayo Cruz Kerubin Au. Start.
Winner, Aka, Recaforco AZ.
Sanchez Casimiro,
Amara Lupa versus Anya Fernandez.
Please prepare Campos Anthony Aka, Cuarto Ino Daniel Au. Please prepare.
winner Aka. Estafa Ansel Aka and Sanchez Casimiro out.
Please prepare Julia Rabaya and Afraid Castle. You're after this round.
Melanchon on the mat now. Melanchon double tie. First call ni Kapatan Rian Gil. Second call ni Kapatan Rian Gil. Last call ni Kapatan Rian Gil. Angela Mitante, double foul. Suarez Elmar, Suarez Elmar. On the mat now, Suarez. Stand by, with our
Aka, Araneta, I.
Stand by.
L. Next bout, Campos Anthony Aka, Cuarto Ino Daniel Au. Start.
Mitante, double time.
Please prepare De Leon Johan Aka, Rutas Philippine Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Coach of GKSCB, assist your players.
Calling Reto Ferdinand Casey and Tanupa Amara. Please take all of us now.
Jay.
Amara Tanupa. Last call. Winner, Aka. Reto Ferdinand. Next round. Africa Samonte versus Netherlands. Please go.
Sidenio Release, Aileen Nerva, Lugod Amelia, Katakutan Karin, please proceed to the awarding area now.
Henry Fernandez. Africa Samonte.
Winner, Aka, Campos Anthony. Please change your belt to foul. Next bout, De Leon Johan Aka, Rutas Philippine Au. Start. Please prepare Volcan Antonio Aka Bogmanoy Imo Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Mitante change to blue gears. Mitante change to blue gears. Asap. Mitante your players are not playing yet, sit down. Coaches, sit down. If your players are not playing yet, sit down. Coaches.
Next foul. 89 years old longest winner points. First round. Hero Miguel Nico. William Carlos Wilson Martin. Please step on the mats now. Please prepare the Kapisan John Azriel and Abdullah David Arnold. Your record is proud. First ball, Yusuf Martin William Carlos. After Hero Miguel Nico. Please prepare the Kapisan John Azriel, David Matua, Cabanas Taylor, Joseph Rodrigo, Kevin Calvin, Dino Alvarez, Cortez John Marie, Fernandez Kiefer, Pepito John David, Lato Alejandro, Otlio Austin, Nagala
Pasok
Alvarez.
Gonzales Luis.
Please proceed with that platform.
Dinoy Gonzales Luis.
Double time, please. Hero Miguel Nico.
Alio Casandra, raise your hand. Alio Casandra.
Winner, Aka, Volcan Antonio. Change your belt to out. Next bout, Araneta Kyle Aka, Tampus Anthony out.
Jenny Ronaldo.
Araneta Kyle.
Alio Casandra. Raise your hand, Alio Casandra.
Start.
AOA coach, please assist Alio Casandra. Alio.
Please prepare Rutas Steven King Aka, Volcan Antonio out. Please prepare after this bout.
Alio Casandra, raise your hand. Sa bote ang siya ng Alio City Santa.
Winner, Miranda Faye Angela. Silver, Dominican Days. Minus 66 kilograms, Nicole Villacarlos on the mat now. Nicole Villacarlos on the mat now. Suarez on the mat now. Elmont, first call. Baguio, John. Baguio, John, raise your hand.
Winner, out. With honors Wilson Martin. Next out, the Kapisan John Azriel versus Abdullah David Arnold. Please step on the outside.
spectator cannot occupy the lower box. Guests and spectators, you are not allowed in the lower box. Step out. Guests and spectators, you are not allowed in the
Winner,
lower
Aka,
box.
Araneta, Kyle, same belt. Next bout, Rutas, Philip King, Aka, Volcan, Antonio, Au. Start. Please prepare after this bout. Araneta Kyle Aka advances to finals.
For awarding certificate, attention please, Garza. Next bout, Cabatas Miriam Marcos versus Rico Joseph Clark.
Largo Emerson Stan, La Huerta Ivan Ray, Alvarez James, Ringside, Vista John Vincent, Vista John Vincent, raise your hand. Vista John Vincent from JKS, Central Visayas, raise your hand. Vista John Vincent.
Ang damang place na yan. Stephanie, Lau, Christian, Kuban. Kuban, Stephanie, Christian, Kuban.
Almores, raise your hand, stand by. La Puerta, Ivan Ray, raise your hand. La Puerta. Vista John,
Winner, Michael Calvin-Tower. Next out, John Marie Cortez and Keeper Fernandez. Please step up.
Next round, Ayo Gonzalez. Ayo, raise your hand.
start.
Please prepare John David Pepito and Emmanuel Duarte.
Vista John, blue.
After this round, next
Finally, John Marie Cortez. John Marie Cortez.
Eumario Hercules,
Ayo, raise your hand.
AUCS, John Marie Cortez.
Kamay Mark,
Fernandez.
Kamay Mark from ASK Cebu. Kamay Mark from ASK Cebu.
After this round, Bikoy Akmalano ang nakakaka. Akmalano. Calling attention of 10 to 11 years old, open between the boys. This is the Lala Miki, Mara Pinsera, Muna Oscar Gate, Dela Rafael, Victor Janhart, Oscar J. Marcos, Side President, Thomas Salonito, Miguel Pico, Thomas Carl, Thomas Salonito, Patrick Pico, Eliseo Juan, Miguel Sanderson, Grano Sanchez,
Winners are Voltas Antonio for gold, Araneta Kyle silver, Rutas Philip King bronze, Santos Anthony second bronze. Congratulations to all the winners and please proceed to the awarding area. Thank you. Proud to 13 years old, open kata boys. Kaule Sean Carlos Aka, Delulia Johan Al.
Eumario Hercules from CIMAC ALA, stand by. Kamay Mark, raise your hand. Kamay Mark from ASK Cebu. First call, Kamay Mark from ASK Cebu. Second call, Kamay Mark. Electric start. Tiongko Electric from Puma. Tiongko Electric. Tiongko Electric.
Winner,
Leonario Hercules, stand by. Kamay Mark, stand by. Next bout. Kyungpo Eldrick, Kyungpo Eldrick from Puma, raise your hand.
Please prepare. 14 years old girls kata. First bout, John Francis Aka, Rama Jamil, Ao.
Please prepare the Canelo versus Fernandez Figueiredo after this match.
Menoria Marcelo, blue side, Menoria Marcelo,
Sakoten Rosales, Rosales, Rosales. Prepare, Malay Prince Lian, Aka, Romeo Sanrique, Ao. Malay Prince Lian, Christian.
Next bout, Ao Miguel versus Fernandez Figueiredo. Please step out of outside.
Leonario Hercules, Kamay Mark, next bout. Kamay Mark, blue side. Kamay blue side, Leonario red side. Kamay Mark, next bout, blue side. Kyungpo Eldrick, stand by. Menoria Marcelo, blue side. Gonzaga Adrian Yu, red side. Apelido Rex from AKKR. Apelido Rex from AKKR. Blue side.
Mayol Pinky, Aka, please prepare. Guardias Isabella, Arwin, Ao, please prepare.
Next bout, Leonario on the mat now. Leonario Hercules,
Winner, Rama Jamil.
Kamay Mark, step forward.
Ramil, change your belt to Aka.
Renabel. Kyungpo Eldrick, stand by. Kyungpo, stand by. Menoria Marcelo, stand by. Juan Manuel, blue side. Eknoban Steve, raise your hand. Eknoban Steve from Esquerido. Eknoban Steve.
Rama Jolene Aka Cabuenas Giel Au.
Polestico Giancarlo blue side.
Winner, Warriors Isabella. Change your belt to Aka.
Minus 61 kilograms, junior boys limited. Idulan Jarod, red side. Idulan Jarod.
Winner, Aka, champion Olympic team. Next bout, William Orlas versus Nala. Please step up.
After this round, we will have the championship.
Six.
Please prepare. Warriors Isabella Aka. Vista Upper. Au.
John David Pipino and Fernandez.
Gonzaga Adrian Yu, stand by. Abiliedo Rex, stand up, stand by. Minus 61 kilograms, junior boys limited. Edulan Jarod. Ilaya Desmond Rain from ASK Cebu. Stand by, blue side. Nodalo Remix. Nodalo, stand by, blue side. Nodalo Remix, blue side. Bilantes red side. Red. Aton Kim from JKS Central Visayas. Aton Kim from JKS. Aton Kim, raise your Belen Boris Marie. Belen Boris. Belen Boris, raise your hand. Belen Boris.
Alon Rayo Vidal. Next round.
Ivan. Laberta Ivan, blue side.
Winner. Aka, Kiefer Fernandez. Dominant for Ryan Fernandez for the championship match.
Alvarez James, red side. Kamay Mon, blue side. Kamay Mon, blue side.
Marcelo Jacob, raise your hand. Those closest to our president, raise your hand.
Minoria Marcelo, right side. Gonzaga Adrian, blue side.
Please step off the mats now.
Marcelo, raise your hand. Those closest to
Ana
your hand.
Reala and Kiefer Fernandez for the championship match.
Winner, Aka, Maria Cabrera. Change your belt to out, 30 seconds rest.
Comandante Inigo, raise your hand. Comandante
Bagyo standby. La Puerta San.
Please prepare 89 years old Bobby's women and girls. First round, basketball opening of the league versus Guadalajara.
Bagyo, step forward. La Puerta. Alvarez James.
Winner, Kiefer Fernandez.
Kamay Mon.
Next round, basketball
30 seconds rest for Maria Isabella is up. For final bout, Aka, Rama Juliet, Ao, Marias Isabella.
Next round, challengers tonight, out with Inigo, Aka. Enter the match now.
Minoria.
Commander, raise your hand. Challengers, raise your hand.
Minoria Marcelo. Standby.
Start.
Gonzaga Adrian, blue side. Gonzaga.
Maria Paloma and Margari Hernando here after this match. Calling the awardee for 89 years old boys, women and boys, please proceed to the awarding area now. Again, 89 years old boys, women and boys, please proceed to the awarding area now.
Raise your hand. Commander, Innocent Chora, raise your hand.
Minoria Marcelo, Gonzaga Adrian, Gonzaga Adrian,
Next bout, Paloma Maria
Gonzaga Adrian,
Accountant
versus Lento Marjorie Michelle.
Kalompe John, right side, Kalompe John, Polístico, blue side,
Melanias Texos, raise your hand. Melanias Texos. Hernandez Team.
Minoria, next bout,
Get ready.
Minoria next bout,
Lento Michelle. Again, Lento Marjorie Michelle. Lento, please raise your hand. Lento Marjorie Michelle, please raise your hand.
After the counts now, Melanias Texos and Hernandez Team. Hernandez, raise your hand. Hernandez, raise your hand.
Please prepare Lento Shinhan Irene and Lourdes versus Arvin.
Kel Kaden. Raise your hand. Kaden.
Winner, Vargas Isabella Gold, Rama Julian Silver, first bronze Vista Amer Veronica, second bronze Novegas Jai. Congratulations and proceed to the awarding area. Thank you.
Yes, Senator Reyes Texas. Raise your hand.
14 to 15 years old, open kata boys, Katamiwan, first bout, Lucas Philip K. Aka, Volcan Antonio Benedict Ao.
Kamay Mark, you are still gonna be on the blue side, Minoria step forward, Gonzaga step forward.
Okay, Senator, raise your hand.
Kalompe right side, Polístico blue side.
Okay, Senator, out.
Baguio John, Sanbay Baguio John, red side, Kamay Mark blue side. Kamay Mark blue side, standby.
Pro 15 Advanced Team Local Girls, JPS Senior JPS Independent, out. JPS Philippines Supreme,
Next round, Kel Kaden. Okay, Senator. Raise your hand, Kel.
next bout, Lento Shinhan Irene,
Okay, raise your hand.
Madamanaki versus Lourdes Princess
Polistico, you are still gonna be on the blue side.
Apelido Jack. Inside the map. Vulcan Antonio. Raise your hand. Vulcan Antonio. This is for the final bout.
Kabante Gian Ricard.
Start.
Kabante. Atas ang kabante. Iraman Sukomi.
Please prepare Lance Zingon versus Sasante Aziaray. Out. Lance Zin, please raise your hand. Sasante Aziaray.
Gonzaga, standby.
Umilang Polistico. Atas ang Kalayan. Out. Get ready. Umilang Polistico.
Gonzaga, red side. Polistico, blue side.
Champion sa Pilipinas. Atas ang Bong Marco. Out.
Double line, Gonzaga, double line, red side. Gonzaga, red side. Gonzaga, Adrian, red side.
Next up, Lance Zingon versus Sasante Aziaray. Out.
Minus 61 kilograms, please prepare. Tatame Hill.
Next round. Malay. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Please prepare the Rulis Zipari Bell versus Diana Milan Out. The Rulis, please raise your hand. Diana Milan. Diana Milan, please raise your hand.
Malay. Raise your hand.
Diana Milan, please raise your hand.
Edulan, prepare. Ilaya, Desmond. Ilaya, Desmond. Ilaya, Desmond, prepare. Abugama, DJ, red side. Cuenca, Terence, blue side. Plus 60 kilograms, junior boys,
Antonio Aka. Apelido Jack Silver. Lucas Philippine Bronze. Congratulations and please proceed to the awarding area. Thank you. For 12 to 15 years old, advanced team kata girls. First out, JKN
Ilaya Desmond from ASK Cebu. Ilaya Desmond, stand by. Step out KSA. Step out